Good morning, traders, and welcome back to the situation update. Today, guys, we're going to focus on the Euro Japanese yen as a follow-up on an existing position. And in the next video, we're going to present our new trading opportunity, which we're going to be turning live by pulling the trigger. So it's going to be super interesting. Let's go right ahead and dive in. Not too long ago, probably a few days ago, before the weekend, we've been calling out the Euro Japanese yen. We initiated this bullish campaign. First, throwed in just 10K, and we were ready to face some adversity not too far ahead at 129.96, and that really was our main condition to carry on with this, with this bullish campaign, and even pushing the position bigger, was price action crossing over that level. Now, I know that the target is actually pretty close, right? It's not an ambitious target. We are only talking about 75, 80 pep. So what I'm trying to say is, if we're going to be waiting for a closeout confirmation on that 129.96, we might miss the whole move, right? Let's say if we're going to come back, say in 8, 9, 10 hours, price might already be hitting that 130.73, right? Not to mention waiting to the end of the day, which is why we're just going to reward the attempt. The attempt to cross over is good enough for us because we expect price to break that level. It's not out of our expectations, right? The bullish conviction is clear. We're expecting price action to reach 130.73 and possibly even go beyond. It has the capacity to go all the way to 131.42. Now check out again 129.27. That was the main point of reference for us to begin with. Now I'm going to switch the monthly chart. Check this out. Just spikes across that level. Price wasn't able to close any monthly bar below 129.27, which strongly suggests that this trading range is still in play, and that system is still valid, which is why price should be guided eventually towards these levels right here. 130.73 is just the minimum level, which we always aim for, right? We try to get to take the safe ride, as safe as possible. Well, I guess it's time to take action after all of this promo I've done for the Euro Jap. 10K was already thrown in a few days ago. It's time to load up, so let's go right ahead and do that. I believe our stop loss level, our new stop loss level, is 129, new and updated. Target remains, of course, the same, 130.73, and we can shoot. I'll adjust the stop loss level on the other trade just to make them exactly the same. So it's 129 spot. There you go. Now, the only reservation I have here is, of course, if price action doesn't make it above 129.86, right? So I'm going to come back tomorrow and I'm going to check up on the EuroJap. If it's going to be leaving just a bit of a spike there and ended up the day below 129.86, I will say this: we're going to watch very, very closely, because the breakout might come the next day. However, it makes the whole situation a bit shaky, so we're going to be watching very closely, and if price action begins to turn around and show some redness, we're going to be pulling out. Simple as that, right? We're going to try to keep our loss as small as possible. All right, guys, so right now loading up from the expectation of price action breaking that level. We think it's going to break that level, but I guess that remains to be seen. We'll definitely come back soon to follow up on the situation. That's about that. Euro Japanese yen looking good. We're bulking up the position, The next video talking about the pound versus the US dollar is going to be equally interesting, if not even more. So don't miss out on that one. See you in the next video.